Now it's time for Ethera, Frederic Hammel, another French entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to Ecosummit.
Thank you, Jan. Yeah, another French company in indoor air quality. This is always surprising to realize that every day our body ingests 1 kilogram of food, 2 kilograms of liquid. Most of it is water. Now we have beer and wine at the bar, but then this is 12 kilograms of air that is coming into our body every day. This is a lot more than water and food that are fully controlled in terms of quality control. But the air is not controlled at all. It's coming from the next house, from the next plant, from the next country, and we are breathing that without control. So this is very important now to increase the regulatory focus on quality of air, and this is generating a large concern worldwide. Let's see my last trip in Shanghai in February. That was a nice bar at the top of a building, and the sun is not sunset. It's 4 p.m. It was just going through the clouds and the pollution. And a month later, it was Paris. I hope you see here the tower that was built in 1910 by Eiffel. It was, again, visible that the air pollution now is arriving in our countries, and this is a major concern for everybody. This is, of course, generating a huge market, more than 3 billion. Most of it for the air treatment and the air measurement. Most of it is coming from the filtration of air. We have particles to remove and we have molecules to remove. So COVs, active carbons, and filters are most of it. And then we have sensors for COVs, for CO2. And this is, of course, a fast-growing business. There are two major concerns. One in the emerging country, where the megapoles air is very polluted and people want to breathe safe air. And the other one is in developed country, because we are trying to save energy in buildings, limiting the ventilation, so concentrating pollutant inside the building. So to control the quality of air, you need to go through diagnosis, purification, and monitoring with two major challenges, which is identifying the pollutants, but then being able to measure them with accurate resources, because we are at part per billion, which is very low. Ethera is a product company. We have a range of products to cover the diagnosis with formaldehyde products, which is a reference pollutant for indoor air. We also have an indoor swimming pool pollutant for trichloramine. Then we have a monitoring range, which is providing data to building managers. And also we have a purification media filter that is incorporated in a purifier that was launched last December by SEB, a French group. We also, thanks to our R&D, a lot of R&D programs that will be delivering evolutions of our product, new parameters, CO2, ozone, particles, new communicating capacities, and also more efficient and lower cost for our diagnosis equipment. We also have some medical application potential with CO2 and the bacterial contamination detection. We have also a roadmap for the monitoring with, again, communicating capacity to be improved, but also new application with Waterplan. Waterplan is generating smell, and the odors is coming from molecules, and we have the capacity to detect very sensible the molecule before it smells, so it's good for Waterplan. And all that is developed to be able one day to control the ventilation of buildings, because we want to save energy, so we want to limit the exchange of air between the cold or the hot, depending if you are in Saudi Arabia or in Norway. But then you need to control the ventilation system, the purifiers, and so on, so you need indoor and outdoor monitoring capacity to manage this. We also have, after the consumer market, we have a professional market and an hygiene market to be developed with our filter media. And all that is connected to a technology that was developed in a French academic lab, where we have a six patent family, and this is trapping molecules into a nanoporous material with a color change capacity, so we can have a quantification of the pollutant. We are able to produce our material up to end of 2017 business plan figures, so this is good for us. Thanks to our customer, especially the one in the back, because they are our main partners, we will have a growing business up to 20 million in 2020. This is my objective today. And of course, we have a young and talented team. I always love to believe that I'm still young, so I say the young team. Thank you.
What was your revenue in 2014?
Bad question. $500,000. $500,000. Most of it is coming from the diagnosis because it's our original business. And we have been starting the purification end of the year with China. Europe was launched in March, and the America is launched this summer. So this year will be better, and the year after, yeah.
And are you fundraising at the moment?
Thank you for the question, yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome, it's my job.
Yes, we are raising. We will be closing around as soon as possible.
How much do you need?
We are looking for 3 million.
Okay, 3 million, check it out. If you want to go into the air quality business, air purification, that's an opportunity. Great, thank you very much, Frederic.
Thank you, Jan.
Welcome. And